What's up, everybody? Once again, Down South Done, back at you with another video. So this is the third installment of this video, and what can I say? I had a few more items that I wanted to post. This is the last of the video footage that I had available, so I wanted to show you guys that there are just a few new colors that came out. A lot of them are similar, just like the Road Glide Ultra. This trike has the same concept, same paint scheme. They also came out with this red concept, and as far as the trike is, well, I guess that's billiard red. But as far as the trikes are concerned, nothing's changed. Same old thing. And once again, you're going with the hydraulic clutch on these. I guess due to the weight of them. And as far as this Sportster, the Sportster itself, army green color, nothing's changed. Yes, they're still making the Sportster, even though they said they would cut that out of the line. Obviously, it's still here. So that was a surprise to us all when they came out with this one. Me personally, I think they need to get rid of that line because they don't sell that well. And the return rate on those are ridiculous. They always return them after 6 months or a year after they get through riding them. So here is the Sport Glide. New color, design, nothing's changed on it. As you can see, just the paint scheme. Same 107 Milwaukee 8 motor. I mean, it looks good, but once again, on the rest of the same, well, just like the rest of these bikes, you're kind of stuck with just the same old thing. Nothing really new, no new technology, and I wasn't impressed with the new Road Glides, even though this is not the special. This is the standard. Of course, the Road Glide does come with LED. Now, I can't appreciate this paint job. The paint job is banging. I mean, it literally looks wet. That seems like that's where they put most of the quality into these motorcycles. It's in the paint job and the ride quality. And of course, that's really never enough for most of us enthusiasts because you always end up having to upgrade the suspension. And a lot of these parts you're going to end up throwing away anyway. Probably end up on eBay somewhere. But yeah, same old concept. No LED turn signals on any of these bikes, which was surprising. I mean, how hard can it be, Harley? Just, give us some freebies. So this is a regular Street Glide standard. As you can see, same old headlight, same brakes. Just a cable clutch. And of course we will have somebody that will be willing to jump on this. It's always new to them. And also another Road Glide standard. And I know some of you may have seen these bikes already. I'm just giving you what I had available. Just trying to get rid of that last bit of footage. Bikes just have been unchanged other than going a little cheap on the cables. The Road King I showed in the previous video. This is another one that they had available, and this same concept, same scheme is going around the industry. I do like this paint job though, pretty slick. And of course, them having hard bags, I'm sure some of you can appreciate it, and some people don't like it. They actually like the leather bags. Me personally, I like hard bags just because it's a little more secure with your property. But other than that, same old Road King. And I honestly want to say that I was surprised they didn't come out with maybe a upgraded motor for the specials, or even a kit that comes with it to bump up the horsepower and maybe make 114 a standard. This is an Electric Glide standard with no radio, which you don't see a lot of these. Every now and then, people run across them, but I guess what's the point in getting a street live without a radio unless you're just going to race it or something? But I really expected the standard to actually be of 114, maybe to be the standard, then bump up 117 to maybe to be a special, and why not a 131 to be in the new CVO. Of course, we have yet to see what's to come out on this on the 19th, which I believe they're supposed to be releasing the specials. So we shall see. Now this Hilliard Red, that's kind of new. I'm not sure how most of you guys will take to this, but you don't see a lot of reddish Harleys anymore. Some people used to say they're bad luck. I don't know. I don't know if that's just a myth or whatever. You guys tell me. But this is probably the nicest color scheme that I've seen actually on this trike before. So pretty slick. I love that graphite gray or whatever that is. Probably one of the cleanest paint jobs I've ever seen them do on a trike other than the CVO. Anyway, that's it. If you guys like and subscribe, Down South Don, and I'm out.